Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Instantly for cold email campaigns that convert. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Instantly for your cold email campaigns, start by creating an account on the Instantly website. Once you've signed up, log into your new account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on Create Campaign. Choose a name for your cold email campaign that reflects your goals. Next, select your target audience by importing a list of leads or creating one manually. If you're importing a list, ensure that the file is properly formatted for optimal results. Once your leads are uploaded, it's time to craft your email copy. Keep your message concise and personalize it to resonate with your audience. Use a compelling subject line that grabs attention and encourages the recipient to open the email. After drafting your email, set up your sending options, including the number of emails to send per day. Enable automatic follow-ups to increase engagement with your prospects. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly for deliverability. Once satisfied, initiate your cold email campaign by clicking the Start Campaign button. Monitor the progress of your campaign through the Analytics dashboard. Pay close attention to open rates and response rates to measure your success. Adjust your copy and strategy based on the data you collect to optimize. Continuously test different subject lines and email formats for improved performance. Remember to stay compliant with email marketing regulations to avoid any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.